Sonk withdraws 2 court cases, plans new challenge to Kumul Petroleum Board. Port Moresby, suspended managing director of Kumul Petroleum Holdings Limited, KPHL, Wapu Sonk has formally withdrawn 2 separate court proceedings that questioned both his suspension and the recent reshuffling of the state-owned company's board. The decision, confirmed by the National Court this week, clears the way for Sonk to mount a fresh legal challenge aimed squarely at the board appointments made by the Kumul Petroleum Trustee. The 2 cases, identified as OS number 175 of 2025 and OS number 176 of 2025, had sought to overturn his suspension and prevent the installation of what Sonk describes as the Aopi Board, named after newly appointed chair Sir Moi Avei Aopi. In a brief statement to local media, Sonk stressed that the withdrawals were a strategic legal move and did not amount to conceding defeat or accepting the legitimacy of his suspension. The withdrawal allows me to file a comprehensive judicial review that directly challenges the process used to appoint the new board, Sonk said. He argued that the trustees' actions breached corporate governance standards and may have sidestepped the requirements of the Kumul Petroleum Authorization Act. Sonk added that he remains the lawfully appointed managing director until a court rules otherwise. National Court officials confirmed that Justice David Cannings granted leave for the withdrawal of both matters, ordering Sonk to pay associated legal costs. While the earlier suits are now closed, the judge noted that the decision does not prevent the suspended executive from filing a new claim focused on the same core issues. Sonk's legal team is expected to lodge the judicial review application in the coming days. Kumul Petroleum Holdings, the state's primary custodian of oil and gas interests, has been under heightened scrutiny as political and commercial stakes rise around major liquefied natural gas projects. The appointment of the new board earlier this year was intended, according to government officials, to stabilize operations and strengthen oversight. However, Sonk's impending legal action signals that the leadership dispute is far from resolved and could drag on for months. The unfolding courtroom battle highlights broader tensions within Papua New Guinea's resource sector, where questions of governance, transparency, and state ownership remain contentious. Investors and industry observers are watching closely, as the outcome of Sonk's next legal move could influence not only the leadership of Kumul Petroleum, but also the trajectory of the country's multi-billion Kaina energy projects.